Hi, it's Amanda and welcome to Material Monday. So in this session you are going to be seeing how I created this piece. So this is actually a leaf. This is the center of one of the leaves that I've taken out, but I thought let me actually work on this, and I've crocheted using a thicker crochet yarn and a thinner crochet yarn. I've combined the two and I like the contrast in the colours. So we're going to get on and I will share with you how I created this. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm hoping to make a few more of these. I really do like the way that it turned out, and the great thing is to try and just experiment and see if you can crochet. I haven't tried it knitting. Crochet, you've got a bit more control, holding the leaf and then crocheting on the leaf. But yeah, as I say, I do like the effect, and this would actually be nice in a frame, in a box frame actually, I'm thinking, or it could be incorporated into a wall hanging. Yeah, it could. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope to see you soon, and take care for now.